Alright, today we are looking at a special edition Zippo. So let's take a look at it. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box. Nothing special about the box. And it is labeled Zippo logos. And there's a first look at it. It's got lots of Zippo logos on it. And you can see by the insert it says special edition. Now this one was produced in J of 15. I think that's October, so that's about a year old. Good stampings, Bradford, PA, made in USA. So you can see that this has lots and lots of Zippo logos any way you look at it. Zippo every which way. I didn't count them, but I think there's probably 50 Zippo logos on this thing. So it's got an orange finish. It's kind of a bright orange. It's really a nice color. Zippo does not make very many orange Zippos. Now the only other Zippo orange I have is this one. Has a little bitty logo on there. See that logo? Nothing else on this one. And also they make a fire starter kit in orange, flint, and fire starting stuff in that. So this is the orange special edition Zippo. It's got a steel insert. Sounds real good, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. We're going to lit drop test from about 2 feet. So it looks like it passed the drop test nicely. Still fires up nice. That is the Zippo special edition in orange. And of course it's made in the USA. And that always deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.